Ka PM Shri School Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Mukhla West Giant Hills District Kalapunlong ya ka workshop and performance on Saint Mirabai ka ba arsi ban ken mau burom ya ke jingdap sans pa artusan snem jog ka Saint Mirabai kata ha ka arbat lai tarik nailur araja arposau ya kani ka workshop and performance la penyat da ka Sangeet Natak Academy National Academy of Music Dance and Drama New Delhi kani ka workshop ka de ka benta jong ka kala dharoha kabala pelat pat ba da ka Sangeet Natak Academy halor ka jingtmu ban kentiu ya ka jingtep jong ki samla pule shaphang ki jingrwai India bat ban Krishan ya ka National Education Policy NEP bat ban persu bat penjan ya ki samla pule syakaput katem tedrai kari India Haga jingalang ladon lang ugongsan u Vice President ka Rotary Club Jowai bat President jong ka Giant Tourism and Environment Society JTES ba SK Lato kong ugongsan u waheshnong mukla umlang shore ba pensyai shela na lor kiwe Ngi snow kumen bangila syajir daka Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti bat ka Sangeet Natak Academy ban penya ya ka workshop and performance ong Uniraj Kumar Principal ka Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Mukhla West Giant Hills Meghalaya Shu ulah pentip baka JNV Mukhla ka datang maka ka school ka wala syajir ban penlong ya ka workshop hapo ka Jela Meghalaya
Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi and Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, headquarters Noida. This program is in front of my dear students. We all are very much fortunate that we are having this program here in our JNV campus because it is not an ordinary program. It is not given to all schools. In entire Meghalaya, it is given to only our beloved school, that is PM Shri School, JNV Mukhla West Giant Hills. So it's a proud moment for all of us being stakeholder of JNV Mukhla. I really salute the eagerness, the talent, the knowledge, the performance that you are continuously sharing or showcasing in one or the other kind of different activities under PM Shri scheme, not only in PM Shri scheme but also Vigyan Jyoti scheme and many more programs at district level and states level. So without wasting much time, because you all are eagerly waiting for the program.
Birth anniversary of 525 of Saint Mirabai, who is very instrumental to this program. Students of this school would take the best advantage of whatever our artists will teach and conduct this seminar on this student tomorrow. And also I'm very much to say that since all our friends are coming from our side, especially the Dr. Pratibha Sharma, the project director of Satya Kendra Guwahati. I express my very warm greetings to you and all your teams for performance on this occasion, on this very important program. And also I feel that my very warm greetings also to my dear principal, Sir Niraj, who is all the time, we are very close associated and then inviting me for this beautiful program. Thank you very much, sir. I'm very happy and I enjoy it, especially for the students and all the dignitaries present here. My general concern also, all my dear teachers, I've been with them from time to time, which I cannot name one by one. But my heart, I feel that I could see. That is the teacher from JNNB. Whenever I see them in the bazaar or somewhere, I always give me a smile and give them a smile. That's we are acquainted each other. I'm very much happy to have such a beautiful person at the campus of JNNB. And I should say that Mukha as a whole, in front of our assistant now, is very lucky to have such a beautiful school here, that not only will give a benefit to the students from other parts of Jaintia, but also for the Mukha itself. And on top of that, I have seen that many from the course of the school, many of boys and girls from Jaintia are the first person to have benefited from this school. So I congratulate the student, the past student, the present student, to do better from year to year. Bring laurel to your family, to your village, to your district and to your state of Meghalaya.